Today we are going to explain about a number system. Your textbook sum 1.2 exercise. So there described about how to locate a root 2 on the number line, how to locate a root 5 on the number line, how to locate a root 10 on the number line. Then that questions we go ahead and discussing that questions. Okay. So first question, locate root 2 on the number line. Root 2, root 2, root 5, root 10, all these numbers are irrational number. Irrational numbers means numbers we can't express as in form of a p by q form. Such type numbers we call it as irrational numbers. So such type numbers, here I going to take 3 examples. One is root 2, another is root 5 case, another is root 10 case. Now I go first I discuss root 2, how to represent a root 2 on the number line. First case, first step here 2, how we can express it. 2 we can split and write it as 1 plus 1 equal to 2 we can express as 1 plus 1 equal 2. That means, or 1 means 1 square plus 1 square. Any change is there? No change. 1 square means 1. 1 square means 1 only. Then first step for construction, for first step, draw a number line. First your duty, right? Draw a number line, mark it as L, mark as L. So you need instruments are a scale and a compass only. So first you take out the scale, using scale, draw a number line. Number line, here zeros right side part represent as positive value, zeros left side part represent as a negative value. So I going to draw a number line. Number line, first you draw and mark an alphabet. Yeah. So number line means it have no end point. That's why we put an arrow mark on the both side. There you mark an alphabet L. The number line case 0 first we mark, zeros in the right side part represent as a positive. So 1 centimeter take. 1 centimeter take here and mark that points. 1 centimeter right side and left side 1 centimeter take as see. So here I mark 0, zeros right side 1, 2, 3. Left side part I mark it as -1 like this. Here positive values, that's why positive side enough. Then here see first which measurement is given there 1 centimeter. So first of all what we want to do is give a name for a O place, give name as an alphabet A. O place, 0 case, we mark an alphabet A we mark. Here how much measurement first they given 1. That's why second step you take draw a line segment. Segment means it to have line segment means it to have n points A, B. How much measurement we take? 1 centimeter. So we mark 0 place as A. From A to measure 1 centimeter. So A to 1 centimeter joined with a line segment. There you mark 1 centimeter cutting point, mark an alphabet B. So A to B distance is how much? 1 centimeter. Then next third step is draw a perpendicular. This reverse of T represent as a perpendicularity symbol. Perpendicular to AB line segment. This is our AB line segment. From B keep a center. Draw a perpendicular means to make a 90 degree. So from A to B, from B draw a perpendicular to the AB line segment. So draw a perpendicular to AB line segment. Then what is the second measurement they given? Here second measurement also 1 cm, meaning from B to you measure, from B to measure 1 centimeter. B to measure again 1 centimeter. Here you make 1 centimeter and give name as C. So our fourth step, take a BC is equal to 1 cm. How to get it? From B, keep your scale and measure 1 centimeter. Marking 1 centimeter marking point, you give name as C. So BC distance is 1 centimeter. Then simply join the A to C. Then which triangle here formed? One right angle triangle. Here they form a right angle triangle. So we knowing which side measurement we knowing A to B distance we know how much 1 centimeter. B to C distance how much 1 centimeter. But AC distance we don't know how much is the measurement. So AC distance find out. AC distance how to find out means Pythagorean theorem we applied. Pythagorean theorem we apply there. Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, longest side square is equal to sum of the other two sides square. Which are the other two sides? AB and BC are the other two sides. That two sides square sum. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then value substitute. AC value we don't know how much. Our aim is to find that AC value. So AC square equal AB value is how much? We take as 1. So 1 square plus BC side value also how much? 1. So 1 square. So AC square equal 1 square represent as how much? 1 plus 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get AC square is 2. We want AC value. AC value because how much? Take a square root of 2. So we can conclude that the AC side represent as root 2. Here root 2 is on the outside of the number line. Our question is locate root 2 on the number line. Locate the root 2 on the number line. That's why we want to mark a root 2 on the number line. How to mark a root 2 on the number line means take out your compass, then keep A as the sharp end of the compass, keep it on the A, and A to C distance take through C, draw an arc like this through C. A keep a center, through C draw an arc in this way. Draw an arc like this. That arc cut our line L. That cutting point you give an alphabet P. A as center, AC distance take through C, draw an arc. That arc cut our line L. That cutting point you mark an alphabet P. So here A to P distance represent as our required measurement root 2. So we can say that AP line side part and AC part. AP this A to P distance and A to C distance are equally how much? Root 2. This is the construction of our root 2. Root 2 is constructed on the number line in this way. I hope you can understand. The next locate, second question. Locate root 5 on the number line. Next question is root 5 on the number line. How to locate root 5 on the number line? Same way, 5 we can split and write it as 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. Then 4 means square of which number? 2. So 2 square plus 1 is the square of 1 square. Then here also same procedure. No difference is the same procedure. So first step what we want to do? Here first step here also same thing only, that is That is, first step is draw a number line, mark as L. Here also same procedure. Draw a number line. Number line means both side arrow mark and alphabet L. Then here then mark O as O not 0. Mark O 0 there and 1 centimeter. Take it. Here one, next one, next one, next one like this. Here left side also, but here 0 is there, 1, 2, 3, another one also 4 is there. Then here the left side part represent as a -1. What is the next step? Draw a line segment AB. Next our aim is to draw a line segment AB. First this 0 place you give name as A. And here see what is the first measurement given the split time. 2 is the first measurement. That's why from 0 to 2 measurement, 2 centimeter, 0 to 2 distance. 0 to 2 centimeter take. The 2 centimeter place you can mark an alphabet B. 0 to 2. Here first measurement is 2. That's why 0 to 2 measurement take. Draw a line segment. From A to B distance, draw a line segment and mark it as 2 centimeter. Third step what? Draw a perpendicular to AB. From B, draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular means it make a how much degree? 90. Using protractor make a 90 degree or scale use and draw a perpendicular line. Remember symbol of a perpendicularity is like this. Reverse of the T represent as a perpendicular symbol. So draw a perpendicular to the AB line segment. So we draw a perpendicular line. Then next here what is the second measurement here given? 1 is the second measurement. That's why from B to measure 1 centimeter. From B to measure 1 centimeter. There you mark an alphabet C. Then A to C you join it. A to C distance were joining. Again we get a which shape? Right angle triangle. Then we know A to B distance is how much? 2 centimeter. And B to distance is how much? 1 centimeter. Then what about AC? AC is it to become √5 or not? We want to check it. How to check it? By using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, we go into checking. Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, longest side square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Here in this right angle triangle, which is the longest side? AC is the longest side. That side square is equal to which is the other two side? AB side and BC side. AB side square plus the next side is BC side square. AC side value we don't know. We want to find that side value. Equal. AB side is how much? We mark that 2. But here square is there, so 2 square. BC side how much? We marked 1. So 1 here square is the 1 square. So AC square equal 2 square represent as 4. 1 square means 1. So 4 plus 1 comes to be 5. Then therefore AC value become how much? Take square root of 5. AC square is 5. So AC value become how much? √5. We get a AC distance as a √5. It is outside the number line. Our question is locate √5 on the number line. On the number line means our number line is L is our number line. On the number line we want. That's why how to construct that? Draw a arc. How to draw the arc? Keep A sharp end of the compass. Keep A as center. A to C distance. Through C draw an arc like this. Through C draw an arc. Here see that arc cut our line L. There you mark an alphabet P. That arc cut our line L, cutting point you name as L. That's why we can say A2. Here we mark the 0 place, 0 we give name as A. So A2 P distance is how much? That represent as our root 5. Same way AC distance also how much by Pythagoras theorem? AC distance also root 5, and by construction A to P distance also how much we got a root 5. So we can say AP is equal to AC, both of them value because how much root 5 unit is the value. This is the construction for a root 5 case. Next, third question. Locate root 10 on the number line. Locate root 10 on the number line. How to locate means same procedure only. No changes. Just expansion part only changes. Here see root 10 we can split it here 10 how we can split and write 9 plus 1 become 10. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it is right only. 9 plus 1 equal 10. That means 9 is the square of 3 and 1 is the square of 1. So we can split it like this. Remaining steps are same only. What is the remaining step? First we draw a number line. So first take out the scale and draw the number line. Draw a number line means both side arrow mark is there, then zeros right side represent as a positive value, zeros left side represent as a negative value. So 1 centimeter using scale and measure it. 1 centimeter take 1 centimeter take like this way. Then here you mark an 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side part to -1. Then next what we want also, first step completed, draw a number line, mark as L. So here we mark an alphabet L. Second step, draw a line segment. Line segment how to draw? AB. So we can give O as a 0 as a alphabet A. And how much measurement? See here how much is the first measurement? 3 is the first measurement. That's why A to 3 distance. Here to here distance we take 3 centimeter take. There you draw a line segment. Show a line segment and give name as B. AB, A to B distance represent as how much? A to B distance represent as 3 centimeter. Here first centimeter is 3. That's why A to B distance how much unit we take? 3 centimeter. Second step, draw a perpendicular to AB. So from B, where we keep our scale, we always keep it on the B only. Draw a, here 3 centimeter part we mark B. From B, draw a perpendicular, and perpendicular means it to make a 90 degree. Here they make a 90 degree. Next step here, second measurement is how much? 1 centimeter. Take BC as 1 centimeter. That means from B, scale, keep a scale or compass you can use anyway. Anyhow 1 centimeter we need. 1 centimeter we want. There you mark an alphabet C. So B to C distance represent as 1 centimeter. Then simply we joined A to C distance. A to C distance. Now we get a right angle triangle. A to B distance we know 3 centimeter. B to C distance is 1 centimeter. Then what about AC? Is it to become root 10? We want to check it. How to check it? By using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, longest side square, that is AC. So AC square equal sum of the other two sides. Which are the other two sides? AB and BC are the two sides. Sum of the squares of the two sides. AB square plus BC square. Then AC value we don't know. We want to find AC value. AB value is how much? A to B distance is 3. But here square is there, so 3 square. BC distance is how much? 1 centimeter. Here see 1 centimeter is there, so 1 square. Then calculation. AC square, 3 square represent how much? 3 3s are 9. 1 square represent 1. 9 plus 1 become how much? 10. AC square become 10. Therefore, what about AC side? AC is equal to square root of 10. So, A to C distance we got it as root 10. So root 10 is now it is on the outside of the number line. Our question is locate root 10 on the number line. How to locate that one? That time we use compass. Compass using a sharp end of the compass. A as center. A to C distance take. Through C draw an arc like this. Through A keep A as center, through C draw an arc. This arc cut our line L, cutting point you mark an alphabet P. So A to P distance represent as how much? Root 10. So what we can say by using AP distance is root 10. Same way using Pythagoras theorem and AC distance also how much we got? Root 10 unit. So this is the construction of the root 2, root 5, root 10. Then I hope you can understand this topic. Next we go through real numbers, decimal expansions. Next class. Thank you.